how to change the lock screen, font, and color on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, on the home screen or on the lock screen here, touch and hold. Then enter in your lock screen PIN or fingerprint. Next, tap on the clock widget. From here, make sure the font and color tab is selected. Then we can change the font style or the color by selecting a different font type. Then down here you can change the thickness of the font face. To select a different color, you can use a color picker down at the bottom and you can change the color. You can also change the thickness of your font, and then tap on the done button to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.